Indica and sativa, right? This is one of the biggest issues, biggest debates. The word sativa means cultivated in Latin. It doesn't mean energizing. It doesn't mean upper. It doesn't mean any of that. In the 1700s, they hadn't even discovered genetics yet. Mendel didn't discover the principles of genetics until the 1800s. Long story short, genetics are what influence these compounds, but they hadn't discovered genetics then. So there's no way that sativa was meant to imply upper. Indica means what? India. Right? So about 30 years later, evolutionary biologist was like, hey, what you discovered in Europe that you're cultivating, you're using for these boats, you're using for these fibers. We found something in India and they have a totally different purpose there. The plant looks a little different. We're going to call it Cannabis Indica. How this trickled down the line to us thinking that sativa means upper and indica means downer, it's a disservice because we're ignoring the biochemistry that is beautiful of this plant. That is why we talk about cannabis. Its unique biochemistry we don't see in a lot of plants.